Let's talk about gravity. We feel it every single second, but it's still a huge mystery.
I mean, why is that? Why don't things just, float away into space?
Well, it's this invisible force that has kept scientists guessing for hundreds of years.
Our story really kicks off with Isaac Newton and, yeah, that legendary falling apple.
See, Newton's big idea was that everything with mass pulls on everything else. It's universal.
And his logic was pretty simple. The heavier something is, the stronger its pull. For hundreds of years, this was the answer. It just worked, explaining so much. But then, Albert Einstein came along and basically turned everything completely upside down.
For Einstein, gravity wasn't a force at all. Instead, he saw it as a curve. He imagined space and time woven together into this single fabric called space-time.
And really big objects, like our sun, literally bend and warp this fabric. So planets aren't being pulled, they're just following the curve that the sun creates.
Okay, so pull, curve, what does this thing actually do for us?
Well, just about everything. Gravity is kind of the universe's master builder. Seriously, it holds our entire world together. We absolutely couldn't live without it.
But here's the catch. Even with these amazing theories, the story is far from over.
Our understanding has evolved so much, from a simple force to a totally warped reality. So the mystery continues. Is it a particle? A wave? It reminds us there's always more to find.